Hello, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to upgrade the Dodge Ram. This is the original control center. First, we remove the 3 screws holding the original frame. Then, take out the rubber pad for the phone holder. Unscrew the 2 screws inside. Then, continue to unscrew the 2 screws located at the insulated cup holder. Then unscrew the screws here. You can then remove the entire armrest panel. Now, we use a tool to pry open the edges of the frame and remove it. Here, we disconnect all the plugs at the back. Make sure to take a photo first, before plugging them back later. Here, we unscrew the 4 screws that secure the original screen. Remove the screen, then disconnect all the plugs. Now, from the original frame, we remove the small frame inside. Install the new system. Screw it in place. Gear up for greatness with our channel. Join us for thrilling modifications and SCUMAXCON's innovative solutions. Begin connecting the wires. This is the GPS antenna. For actual installation, route the wire to the pillar. This is the 4G antenna. Likewise, route this to the pillar during installation. This is the video input cable. This is the USB transmission cable. This is the adapter for the original USB port. This is the RCA audio cable. This is the radio antenna. Now, we connect the power cable to the protocol box. Connect the communication port on the power supply to the car system. Connect the button panel port. Connect the screen's power plug. Connect the reversing camera plug to the video input line. Reconnect all the plugs at the back of the original frame. Connect the original double flash plug to the black socket on the power supply. Connect the power plug to the original vehicle power. Connect this adapter cable to the original USB port. After all connections are made, you can mount the entire frame. Resecure it with the 3 screws you removed earlier. Finally, reassemble the armrest box, and the upgrade is complete. Master these tips and you might just save $100 in installation fees. If you appreciate the savings, hit that like button and follow us for more. The installation is now complete. Before using, we need to set up the protocol. First, enter the factory settings. Then, go into protocol settings. Select the appropriate solution for your vehicle model and year. Click Confirm to apply. After setting the protocol, you can use the screen to control the original car's air conditioning. Use the steering wheel buttons to control the screen, and switch the volume. Supports the original reversing camera. Supports door safety reminders. Additionally, it can play local songs or stream music from other apps. Watch local movies or stream movies from other apps. Supports DSP sound adjustment. Can automatically search for local radio stations. Supports local maps or online maps from other apps. Supports Bluetooth phone calls and Bluetooth music. Supports wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and high-car wired connections. Here, you can use the voice assistant to make calls, listen to music, and use online maps and other smartphone functions. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.